So when you guys see these types of expressions, 11 to the 1/6, this is the sixth root of 11. So the way that we write that, we need to use this root. So this is different. So let me just show you. If I use the square root, and if you put the 6 here, this is 6 times the square root of 11. So again, this is 6 multiplied by the square root of 11. And if I use this, notice how it puts something up here. So I just want to show you guys the difference. If I use this one, it lets me put something in front, which is going to multiply. So we need to use this one. So it gives us this a place to put a number. It's inside of the root function. So I put the 6 there, and you see how it shows up really small. This is not multiplying. This is the sixth root of 11. So that is the number that if I multiplied it by itself 6 times, the answer would be 11. So basically x to the 6 equals 11, and the x is what this equals, the sixth root of 11. So anyway, when you guys are converting these, they always convert like this. Another one. And then when it's raised to a fractional power, this is the power, this is the root. So the numerator is the power and the denominator is the root. So this is 5 to the 5th power, and this is the 8th root. So there are two ways that you can write it, but I'm going to use this. So the denominator is the root, and then 5 raised to the, you can use this, raised to the 5th. So it can be written as the 8th root of 5 to the 5th. So again, this is my base, 5, and this is my power, and this is my root. So it's the 8th root of 5 to the 5th. It could also be written, I don't know if it'll let you do it. See if I can put parentheses around it. I don't think it'll let me put parentheses, but we'll try. Yeah, it could also be written, I could take this out. And I could raise this whole thing to the 5th power. Let's see if it accepts that. Should work either way. And then it'll show me. So it's a lot easier, of course, to enter it this way, but I just wanted to show you that so you can see what this really means. So you can either take the root first and then raise it to the 5th, or you can raise 5 to the 5th and then take the 8th root. So this just kind of changes the order of operations, but those are the same. So it doesn't matter which thing you do first, whether you take the 8th root first and then raise that to the 5th power, or here you would take 5 to the 5th and then take the 8th root. So both of these answers are correct. Do one more. So now this one is, they want us to convert it and write it as an exponential expression. So the power goes in the numerator and the root goes in the denominator. So this is x raised to the 3 divided by 5. The power goes in the numerator, the root goes in the denominator. Do one more. So same thing here. This is 15 raised to the power is the numerator, 4 divided by 7, the root is the denominator. I'll probably need a power again. And then again, to convert it from these, the power is, the numerator is the power, the denominator is the root. So for these, you want to use this, and we're going to do the 3rd root of 17 squared. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys understood how to enter those into Alex, because that's the